Hello guys, welcome back. If you're new, please subscribe and also hit the notification button. So today, in this video today, I ran into another new error today and I decided to make a video about it. It's a layout error, it's a Flutter layout error. This error today is called an input decorator, which is typically created by a text field cannot have an unbounded width. As you see, when I tried, the app failed and it opened the input.decorator.dat file where the input decorator errors are described in Flutter. This is a common error in Flutter layout. So let's first see its description. In input.dat, input under InputDecorator.dat, we see it's saying this happens when the parent widget does not provide a finite width constraint. For example, if the input decorator is contained by a row, then its width must be constrained. An expanded widget or a SizedBox can be used to constrain the width of the input decorator, or the text field can contain it, and or the text field that contains it. So that's all about the information about the error. So let's try and see. So let me show you what caused the error. So as you see, I just made a simple text field inside a row as the first child of a row, as the first child of the row children. So the error message suggests that it's also related to box constraint, which are important to understand to avoid many of the most common Flutter framework errors. This error occurs, for example, when a row, like here, a row contains a text field, as you see here. A row is containing a text field or a text form field, but the letter has no width constraint. So let's see how to fix it. One way to fix it is as suggested by the error message. So we have to fix the error by constraining the text field using either the expanded or SizedBox widget, as you're going to see, as I'm going to do here. You see, so it's easy to fix. So this is a simple way of fixing this error, as the message elaborated very clearly. So there's nothing big. So let's dive in and try to fix this error. So scaffold, inside the scaffold I have a body. Let me add a simple app bar. Now we put the title. Let's call it input. With input decorator can not have unbounded with brackets here. The constant. Okay, now we are the only way to fix this is to wrap our text field, or is wrap our text field with a widget. Let's wrap it with the let's wrap it with the expanded widget. Start wrapping it. We save. So run that. Okay, the app has run, but it's not showing anything. So let's wrap this row into center widget. Okay, here, let's say there it is. Let's try to center our row. So this will be running like this. As you see, our text field does no finite decoration. Let's try to use our text field can work as well. As you see, it's there and it's working. See here. Again, let's wrap it with a SizedBox. So save that. Okay, as you see, SizedBox will not help us. So the only easy and quick way is to use the expanded widget. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. Support me. Keep supporting me so that I can keep making such videos. Thank you. Nice time. Bye bye.